In our previous Sony WF-1000XM6 Earbuds video, we talked about the design, release timeline, and pricing. Now we have more information around the specs thanks to billbil-kun, who has a strong track record when it comes to accurate product leaks. The biggest upgrade here is the new QN3E processor. It's said to be 3 times faster than the chip used in the WF-1000XM5. That extra power brings more headroom for real-time audio effects, reduced latency, and much better ANC calculations. We initially assumed Sony might switch to a MediaTek chip, but it looks like Sony is sticking with its own silicon, and honestly, that makes sense given how much control they like to keep over sound processing. Noise cancellation remains a major focus. The XM6 is expected to feature an expanded microphone array, potentially up to 8 microphones across both earbuds, working alongside adaptive noise cancellation algorithms. With the more powerful processor in play, the earbuds should be able to react faster and more accurately to changing environments. The XM6 is also rumored to introduce an adaptive noise cancellation optimizer, allowing the earbuds to continuously analyze your surroundings and adjust noise suppression in real time. On top of that, multiple ambient sound modes are expected, giving users finer control over how much outside sound is let in depending on where they are. Sony has also reportedly updated the audio hardware, including a new driver, an improved DAC, and a better amp. All of this should translate to better clarity, cleaner sound, and more consistent performance across different volume levels. Sound customization is also expected to get a noticeable boost. Leaks point to a 10-band equalizer, up from the 5-band EQ on the XM5. That means much finer control over bass, mids, and treble, making it easier to tune the sound to different genres or personal preferences. Call quality is also expected to improve, with enhanced beamforming and bone conduction sensors working together to better isolate your voice and wind noise reduction, helping voices sound clearer and more natural. Battery life, according to leaks, looks exactly the same as the current Gen XM5. You're looking at around 8 hours on the earbuds themselves, plus 16 hours from the charging case. Fast charging and wireless charging are also expected to return, keeping things convenient and competitive. Touch controls, voice commands, smarter gestures, and improved mic handling should make everyday controls feel quicker and more natural. And the rest of the features mentioned in the leak are already present in the XM5. Pricing is rumored to sit slightly higher than the previous generation, pushing the XM6 deeper into ultra-premium territory. That might raise some eyebrows, but Sony seems to be justifying the bump with meaningful upgrades in processing power, sound customization, and real-world audio performance, not just surface-level changes. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.